Welcome back to my channel. This is the Work at Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. So this job opportunity is with Data Annotation Tech. This is actually a task-based company. So basically you just sign up and you get paid $20 an hour to complete various tasks. So the work is very flexible. So you choose when to work, how much to work, and which projects you would like to work on. And the work is available 24/7, 365. Okay, how much work will be available to you? So if you qualify for their long running projects and demonstrate high quality work, there will be virtually unlimited work available to you. What kind of data collection projects do they have? So the projects on the platform run the gamut from survey style work to interacting with chatbots to creative writing tasks and much more. Additionally, some of their core projects allow you to take advantage of your areas of expertise or subjects that you are passionate about. And who is this opportunity for? So, it's not really a specific background that's necessary. They're seeking individuals who have excellent writing and critical reasoning abilities and are detail oriented, creative, and self motivated. So, again, each task could pay from $20 an hour and upwards. Okay. So if you're interested in something like this, I think this is great for those of you who need a very flexible schedule. So you choose when to work, you choose how much you want to work, you pick the projects that you're interested in, and you go to work. So if you're interested in anything like this, I'll go ahead and link it down in the description below. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. And boss this out.